Okay, so today I'm gonna make these hearts that I talked about in the story. Actually, these I kind of folded wrong when I was making it again today. I figured that there's a way that I don't have to show the words inside here, so it will look prettier.
So I got a jar of hearts when I was leaving Taiwan and going to the States for school. My junior high school classmate made it for me.
I got these origami paper. They are 7 centimeter by 7 centimeter. It's very cute with the cats.
So what I would do is, I don't know how to do it officially, but I think this is how I would do it.
So I will fold this in half first on one side. Put it tight. And then I will fold it on the other side. And then you do it diagonally. And then you do it on the other side. Same thing.
It's harder for me because I'm like holding up to make sure you guys can see it, but I would. It would be easier if you do it on the table. Okay.
Now that you've folded 4 times for 2 crosses here, you just fold a triangle, make a little triangle here. Why I would like to fold it first, so it's easier for me to fold now when I'm actually making it. Not that good at crafting things. So they're both sides now. And then you fold it in half, like this. And then you make another triangle here to point it up. You basically just folding the parts that you folded. That's why you need to fold first. Okay, I didn't do it quite well at the beginning. So you can see the white paper in the background here. That's okay. And now you just make it a heart. I'll usually take a look at how it will look like at the end before I press it down.
And then you see it on the other side.
And you just tuck it into the little fold here. This way you have a heart. This is the other one I made. Very simple. So yeah, before you start folding, you can you can write words in here.